Dear students, greetings of the day. Hope you are doing good. You are all welcome to the SST class as we are learning environment and pollution. And in the previous video, we talked about environment, and today we are going to through the subtopic pollution. Dear students, first of all, let me tell you what is pollution. Making air, water, land, soil, or any other thing impure by adding harmful and unpleasant things to it. That is pollution. Impure things and harmful substances, the mixture of both these things, that process is known as pollution. And pollutant is a substance or a thing that pollutes the environment. And who is polluting? Humans are polluting and they are polluters. There are different types of pollutions, like we have air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, or we have soil pollution also. If we talk about pollution, means it is the contaminated air, or we can say polluted air, where there are harmful substances. Suppose the gases, the smoke that is emitted by vehicles that's coming from um, cars, buses, or any vehicle, from the chimneys of the factories, through firecrackers, these are all the pollutants and cause air pollution. These all substances impure our air that we breathe and add harmful substances to it. There are other various factors that pollute air, like burning of wood, that also gives smoke with harmful substances. Coal gives the same thing, and dry leaves. All are polluting the air, and these are also relieving some harmful and poisonous gases that that are very harmful to living organisms. Similarly, deforestation also plays very important role in polluting air. How? When we cut down more and more trees help us to clean the air. When we cut down the trees, obviously the air will get polluted and will not get cleaned. This way it will lead harm to us. Uncovered garbage dumps are there, sewage is there, which pollutes air. Now, the effects of air pollution. What are the effects of air pollution? Factories, as I already told you, a number of gases are released from the factories and these vehicles, etc. That's very harmful for human beings as well as plants. In fact, animals too. And you see, this pollution is really a threat to the environment. Harmful gases that are released by vehicles and through the chimneys of the industries that can cause cough, nausea, no, when you feel some disorder in your stomach and in your when you feel your head is reeling, both the things, when both the orders go side by side simultaneously, then you can say this is nausea, जब आपको उल्टी जैसी दिखती लग रही है, फील होती है. Similarly, irritation of the eyes is there. These are all because of the pollution, air pollution. It also causes asthma, or you can say asthma, that is the chest disease. Skin allergies are because of this air pollution. Severe infections are caused because of this air pollution. Now, coming to the water pollution, water also gets contaminated because of the various reasons. What is water pollution? Water pollution is actually when there is the presence of any harmful substance or harmful material available in the water, that's very harmful to the plants and animals. Various pollutants are there which pollute water and lead to very harmful diseases. Suppose cholera is there, it's because of water pollution. Jaundice, कांबल जिसको बोलते हैं, it's all because of water pollution. This is the waterborne disease. And polluted water cause harm to aquatic, means the living beings that are living in water. What are the pollutants of water? Disposal of sewage that's coming from homes, buildings, etc. Dead animals we throw in the water bodies directly. Industrial wastage is there. Waste materials are also there. The water that's coming after bathing, washing clothes, and all. The drainage directly goes to the water bodies. This way, we pollute our water bodies, and that can lead to the serious diseases. Now coming to the noise pollution, noise. What is noise? When unpleasant and loud sound comes to your ear, that causes noise pollution. Unpleasant, loud sounds is noise pollution, and it's really very harmful to all human beings as well as animals. Do you know 30 decibel? Decibel is a unit of sound. 30 decibel is good for whispering, means if you want to make slow sounds with a person when you share secrets only, na, that time you can speak up at 30 decibels, and you can hear 30 decibels. When you are going through a good conversation, like I'm talking with you, it's about 60 decibel, and this is a normal a normal volume of the conversation. If it goes beyond 60 for so long time, it can cause damage to your ears. So we should never keep music on the blaring, like unpleasant music we should not keep at high volume. We should not keep music at unpleasant volume, blaring volume. We should not keep speakers on. We should not ring the horns of cars and buses frequently. We should avoid very soundy horns and machines which are making noise in the factories, and loudspeakers of TVs and all. We should avoid all these loudspeakers so that we can save our ears, save our generations. And this is the noise pollution, and it has very bad effects. It can cause hearing loss. Someone is watching TV at very high volume. Obviously, his or her ears are getting disturbed. Instead of that, they can't hear what others are saying. Similarly, sleep disturbances can be there if you are listening to music or any other thing at a very high volume. Someone else may get disturbed in his sleep, and it can also increase heartbeat, etc., and it may also lead to deafness. So it's very very harmful, very harm to a person and animals also. It can lead to deafness, you can't hear anything then. This was all about noise pollution. Now coming to the soil pollution. Soil pollution is also very harmful, as we are using harmful substances like using of fertilizers, use of chemicals, pesticides, rodenticides, insecticides, weedicides. These are all chemicals. Fine. For the time being, we are using them to for our good part, but indirectly these are making harm to us, and these are not only making the soil polluted but also water bodies. See, when we are using these fertilizers and chemicals in our fields, finally the water goes to the water bodies when it is heavy rainfall, or something else like that. That chemical indirectly we take that in the form of we drink that, and this cause harm to us. And similarly, soil pollution is because of the dumping of polythene bags, though they are very non-biodegradable things. Plastic bags are also non-biodegradable, cannot decompose in the soil. And Industrial wastage is there, that is very harmful for human beings as well as animals, so we should not use excess use of these fertilizers and chemicals, so that we can save the soil from pollution. Effects are very harmful. Pollution of soil makes the soil infertile, and it also harms the beneficial microorganisms. Like, we have some organisms in the soil. These fertilizers and chemicals or in wastage harm them, and it may also lead to soil erosion when there is no greenery or the soil. Obviously, water or any other weathering will definitely erode the uppermost layer of the soil, that is soil erosion. And the contamination of the soil, I mean dirty, making dirty soil causes many health problems also. Now, being humans, being the citizens of the modern world, we should save the environment. What are the ways to save an environment? Industries should take steps to detoxify the waste materials. They should make they should not discharge these wastage into the water bodies, and should not make these toxic things materials. And we should not burn wastage, it should be banned. And we should not go for deforestation. We should plant more and more trees. I mean to say that afforestation must be there. And we should make our environment pollution free by planting more and more trees. We should not ring these horns of buses and other vehicles frequently. People should stop themselves, refrain themselves from using loudspeakers and other unpleasant sounds that can cause harm to them and others also. We should make environment very healthy. This is all important for all living beings. We are all depend on environment for our existence, for our survival, so we should keep our environment clean and pollution free. It's our necessary, being humans, that we should take some steps to protect our environment and make it pollution free. Hope you have enjoyed this topic. This way we have finished all the topics of unit third. Now, coming to the exercise, go through the chapter thoroughly. In the next class, we are going to discuss the exercise of the same topic. Thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.